Hey everyone, this is Viren and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another marketing tutorial. This is going to be a very short tutorial where I'm just going to show you how, if you want to make a group, a community of your own through your Facebook page, you can actually admin a Facebook group through your Facebook page. How do you do that? It's a very simple process. All you need to do is, once you're on your Facebook page, go down here and click on create group. When you create a group right from here, what happens is your page is the admin of the group. You can give this group a name, you can add some people, you can decide on the privacy settings of the group. This is pretty much standard on how you would create a group from your normal regular profile. Once you click on create, I've already created a group through this page, so let me just quickly go there. This is called the Digital Marketing Forum, and this group, as you can see here, the group by Viren Baid, and this is my Facebook page and not my personal profile. So there we go. If we go under members, you will see the admin of the group is not just me, my personal profile, but also my page, and there are other members as well. So this is a very handy tool. You can use this to create your own community, and the community will know that this has been created by the Facebook page.
And that's about it for this tutorial. I hope I was able to teach you something new and add value to you. If I did, please hit the thumbs up button, comment and let me know, and subscribe to my channel for more marketing content. If you're looking to have a one-on-one session with me, the best way to reach me is through Instagram. The link is right here. Thank you.